I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make margaritas in a slushy machine. First, gather your ingredients. Good quality tequila, triple sec, and fresh lime juice are key. You'll also need a simple syrup, which is just equal parts sugar and water, heated until dissolved and then cooled. Don't forget plenty of ice. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get started on these delicious frozen treats. Now let's create the perfect margarita concentrate. For a classic blend, combine 2 parts tequila with 1 part triple sec. Next, add 1.5 parts fresh lime juice. Fresh is always best for that vibrant flavor. Finally, stir in 1 part simple syrup. This ratio ensures a balanced taste that isn't too tart or overly sweet. Mix it well before moving to the next step. With your concentrate ready, it's time for the slushy machine to work its magic. Carefully pour your mixed margarita concentrate into the machine's reservoir. Then, add enough ice to reach the recommended fill line, usually about 2/3 full. Close the lid securely and select the slush or frozen drink setting. The machine will churn and freeze the mixture, creating that perfect icy consistency we all love. Once your margaritas reach that ideal slushy consistency, it's time to serve. Prepare your glasses by rimming them with salt or sugar, depending on your preference. A fresh lime wedge or wheel makes for a perfect garnish. Pour generously and enjoy your homemade frozen margaritas. They're perfect for parties or a relaxing evening. Also, for other great deals and the link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, check out the description below. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.